Hi guys, it's me Bricks and welcome back to another video. So before anything else, please don't forget to click the subscribe button at yung katabi niyang notification bell para ma-update ka whenever I upload a video. So for today's video is going to be a vlog guys. So by the way, today is April 7, 2020 and yon birthday ng papa ko. So I will show yung mga montage lang, and today it's already 6 PM na ng gabi and yun. And disclaimer lang, I am not bragging or anything. Itong mga ipapakita ko is sponsored ng ate ko. So thank you so much ate ko at saka sa kanya asawa na yun nagbigay. So para meron kaming makain and meron kaming mapagsaluhan, and thank you so much kasi first time papa ko na ipaghanda. So timing talaga na quarantine pa talaga. So, ayan. So, ipapakita ko na lang yun sa inyo. And, yun. So, yun guys. Just papa guys. Hi pa. Happy birthday pa ang papa guys. Birthday niya. 55 na siya guys. So, ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday na niya guys. So, mato siya. So, I will be showing you some montage. So, in 3, 2, 1. final update. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung nangyari kanina. And pasensya nga, yun lang ako nakapag-outro. And yan, kakatapos ko lang maligo. And maraming salamat sa mga pumunta. Maraming salamat sa mga blessings, Lord, na binigay mo sa amin, particularly na sa aking papa, sa kanyang birthday. So, that's conclude his birthday today. And thank you so much sa lahat. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. So, yun lang guys yung aking video for today. Aking vlog. Sadyang parang ano lang siya talaga. Sana nag-enjoy pa rin kayo sa panonood. So, yun lang. Parang montage lang siya guys na video. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And dito ko na-end yung aking video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button at yung katabi niyang notification bell para ma-update ka whenever I upload a video. Follow me on my social media accounts down in the description box. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and sa TikTok. Follow mo na rin ako, that is Bricks_Tiguman. So, yun lang guys, this is Bricks Tiguman saying annyeong, bye!